Come on, babe, let's go. That's all right. Take your time. Yeah.
Se va a caer.
Say hi.
Almost there.
Dice no, hello, hi.
Hi. Vámonos por ahí para arriba. Uy. Uy. Ay, coño, las piedras duelen. The rocks hurt. I should be over there instead of my dad, but that's all right. I'm gonna bust my ass though. Keep trying to videotape him.
We're getting there. Ow. Thank you.
All right, Miss Tata. Mrs. River Lady.
I don't want to go that way. I want to go this way. I'm going to follow you. I like you. You done?
No, not yet. Yeah, get me. I'm gonna walk up the river.
Well, I don't think I can do both at the same time.
No, all right, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just get a little circle image here. The river. Bye, say hello. Get off your phone. Say hello and goodbye.
Hello.
And goodbye.
Goodbye.
Like that. Nice. Beautiful.